Here's the thing, Ohio, we know what change looks like. And what he's selling ain't it.
And we ask you to stay at it all the way until victory on Tuesday night is clear.
It is down to the wire for President Obama and Mitt Romney. Good evening. I'm Danita Harris.
And I'm Chris Flanagan. No state is more critical than Ohio. And today the candidates were just 10 miles apart in Columbus. We have live team coverage on the eve of the election. Though we are just 7.5 hours away from the first votes being cast at a polling place, more than a third of the votes are already in. Early voting wrapping up across the state this afternoon. News Channel 5's John Kosick is live on the Board of Elections tonight. And John, today people lined up around the block to vote.
Yeah, Chris, and I got to tell you, it's amazing to see a quiet, calm return here to the corner of East 30th and Euclid after what was almost like a carnival-type atmosphere, not only earlier today, but Saturday and Sunday. As you mentioned earlier today, though, we did see lines of people lined up around the block. More than 2,800 people showed up to vote early today in person here. That's on top of the 5,600 people who turned out over the weekend. That being said, the number of people who voted early this weekend was below the final weekend push 4 years ago. Over the 5 weeks, in-person voting was down about 9,000 voters, or 16.6% compared to 4 years ago. The greater the early vote and vote by mail turnout, the less likely the chances of a problem at the polls. That being said, the folks here at the Board of Elections say we're ready for anything.
We are very confident that tomorrow is going to go smoothly. Something always crops up in any election, particularly presidential elections, but we stand ready to mediate through whatever issue comes up.
Now, here's the thing to remember. As of this morning, there were still tens of thousands of absentee ballots that were still withstanding. If you got an absentee ballot, it had to be postmarked by midnight tonight. If for some reason it wasn't, you have until 7:30 tomorrow night to drop it off in person at your respective Board of Elections. At the BOE, John Kosick, News Channel 5.